It's too hot to cook anything on the stove. We're having 3-bean salad tonight. You can make that 5-bean or 1-bean, doesn't matter. I'll have some black beans, garbanzos, and some kidneys. My standard ingredients for this are usually parsley. I don't have it fresh right now. Something red like bell pepper or tomato or both. Garlic is a must. Onion, salt and pepper, and then we'll make a vinegar oil dressing for it. You can also make this by adding corn. It's really good when you add the corn, bell pepper, and cilantro instead of the parsley. And today I'm also going to put in some basil because I have it, this other little bell pepper and a jalapeno. Super easy, let's get started. Everything's chopped up, and here is the vinaigrette, the dressing. I used 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons oil. I like my salad on the vinegary side. If you don't like it like that, just use less vinegar or more oil. And now we add the pepper and salt, and then we'll just shake it up. So now it's just a matter of incorporating it all, mixing it up. There it is. Protein-packed summer salad. It's great for parties. It's easy to make ahead. It likes to rest in the fridge overnight, actually. It makes it taste better. So simple, so good, and so pretty. And if you just can't stand to be without any meat, put some smoked sausage in, some ham, bacon. Time to plate up.